Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard another Flaps and Slats video. This one's on a JetBlue A320 headed for JFK. I thought the flight attendant had a pretty good announcement right after kind of the 3:30 mark in the video. Enjoy the announcement, enjoy the video, and please like and subscribe so I can keep making these. Just takes a second to click that button, but goes a long way. Thanks so much.
Strap to tighten. To release, lift the top off of the buckle. Please keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight across your lap even when the seatbelt sign is off, and have your seatbelt visible to the crew at all times. Your life vest is in a pouch under your seat. If instructed by the crew, tear open the pouch, remove the vest and pull it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Clip the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down firmly on the red tabs or blowing into the tubes on both sides. Do not inflate your vest inside the aircraft. A locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatically in water. This Airbus A320 has 8 emergency exits, 2 doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 doors in the back. Each door is equipped with an evacuation slide that can be detached from the plane and used as a raft. An additional raft is located in the forward storage unit. In the event of an emergency, leave your personal belongings and head to the nearest exit. All exits are clearly marked with a sign overhead, and lights on the floor also guide you to the exits. Take a moment now to locate your closest exit, and remember it might be behind you. If there's a change in cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from overhead. Firmly pull a mask toward you to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic band around your head and tighten using the straps on both sides. Oxygen will be flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Put your mask on first before helping others. We'll let you know when it's no longer needed. If you have any questions about this aircraft safety features, don't hesitate to ask. We'll be coming through the cabin for one last check. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened, seat back is upright, tray table is stowed, and all carrying items are put away. Disabling or destroying smoke detectors in aircraft restrooms is a federal offense and could result in a fine. This aircraft has 3 restrooms, 1 in the front and 2 in the back. Infant changing tables can be found in the front restroom and one of the restrooms in the back. Please don't flush to hand wipe.
So you get a drink. Oh, okay. So let me know, or him, whoever does the order, that you get a coffee drink. Okay? You can walk down. You want soda?
Vegas and all, but who'd like a free cocktail? Anybody? No? Not one person? Really? Very ashamed of all of you. Alright, we're going to play a little game called Who is Listening? Okay, I'm going to ask you a question. If you know the answer, ring the call button. It's about the information you just got. So here we go. And after the first ring, just stop. Who can name the 4 flight attendants working the flight? We introduce ourselves. 60 people. Okay, how about one name? Hold on, I saw your hand. Well, that didn't really count because that's our mosaic customer, which means she gets free drinks anyway. So, I want to give somebody else a shot.